So guys, today's menu, chicken feet. So we're gonna start off by cutting the nails off the chicken feet. Just do as I'm doing in the video and carry on doing that with all of your chicken feet. Okay, once cut, make sure you give them a good rinse. These chicken feet are actually quite nice and clean. I get them from my local halal butchers. Now just pat them dry, make sure there's no water residue. Now get our ginger and garlic, peel it and finely dice them. Likewise with the chili, make sure you finely dice the chili as well. Now I'm adding in the oil and just I'll say a teaspoon of Meethi seeds. Now add in some cumin, half a teaspoon should be fine. Give it a good mix. So now I'm going to be adding in my chopped onions. I'd say half a large onion should be fine. Give it a good mix until the onions are a bit transparent. Now I'm gonna add in the chicken feet and carry on giving it a good mix. Now with the chicken feet, make sure that they're kind of golden brown, not overly golden brown because we don't want them to be tough to eat. So just as I'm doing in the video guys, you'll see that I keep giving a good mix and keep checking on how golden they've gotten. As you can see, the chicken feet are starting to get a nice brown color to them. It's exactly what we want. Just carry on doing that and add in your ginger and garlic and chili that we had chopped up earlier. Give it a good stir. Now I'm going to be adding in 2 frozen cubes of ginger and garlic paste. I do recommend it doing fresh, but as you can see I already had chopped fresh ginger and garlic pieces. Now I'm adding in half a teaspoon of Garam Masala. Add in 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Now adding in a bit of chili powder. I normally do 1.5 teaspoon because I love my food spicy, so about salt. You can add to your taste. I normally put 1.5 teaspoons. Now add some tomato puree. Now you're gonna wait until the tomato puree and the masala become very dry, and then you'll see in the video that I'm gonna be adding a little bit of water just to retain sort of a gravy, but you'll see in the end outcome that it's not gonna be like a curry or a soup. Please remember to keep it on a medium-low heat so you don't burn it. Keep adding little bits of water at a time, and I'm gonna cover it for at least, I'd say, 25 minutes, and your chicken feet will be nice and ready, guys. So after 25 minutes, guys, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna just garnish it with coriander, and our chicken feet are ready, guys. Finished outcome coming up.